Hey everyone, this is Mel from Cardstock Concoctions. Welcome back to another Cardstock Concoction video. Today we are going to be making a Hershey Kiss Deluxe treat box, and it's a hexagon, I believe. It's a 5-sided. We're gonna go look that up and put that in the title here. It's a hexagon box, so 5 sides. It is a smaller version of the last treat holder that I posted, which is this one here. This holds about 4 Hershey Kiss Deluxes or a bottle of nail polish. Well, so let's go ahead and get started moving everything here out of the way. The first thing you are going to need, I'm actually going to turn this over so you guys can see it on the white paper. This is a designer series piece of paper that measures 3.5 inches tall by 5 3/8 inch wide. Again, 3.5 inches tall, 5 3/8 inches wide. If you guys are looking for directions, dimensions, and or score lines or anything like that, check out the description box below. They will all be down there. All right, let's get to scoring. Pull out your scoreboard. There we go. So I'm going to stick, my paper is directional. I actually want the gray side on the outside here. This designer series paper comes from a Little Bit Foxy paper pack. So with the 3.5 inch side at the top, I want you to score at 1 inch, turn 180 degrees, score at 1 inch. Rotate 90 degrees, so if your paper is directional, make sure it is going in the proper direction up and down. You want whatever you want at the top to be up at the top of your scoreboard. We are going to notch at every 1/2 inch and do a complete score line at every inch. So what that means is we're just going to take at 1/2 inch, notch, 1 inch, full score, 1.5, notch, 2.5, full score, 2.5, notch, 3 inch, full score, 3.5, notch, 4 inch, full score, 4.5 inch, notch, 5 inch, full score. That is all of your scoring. Let's go ahead and quickly, I'm going to finger burnish all of my lines today. I'm not actually going to use the bone folder. Okay, the notches, don't pay attention to those for the moment. Grab yourself a pair of scissors. You have all of the lines that go up to your 1 inch score lines. You're going to cut up all of those. Go all the way up to that first score line. Don't cut anything off, just cut up. Okay? All the way across. Okay, I'm actually going to do it on this side. It's actually a little bit easier for me to see. All right. So now you have your small 3 inch tab over here. Do a small angle cut just to remove that. You guys are left with this. Get rid of that. I'm going to add some adhesive to that 3/8 inch tab right there using some score tape, red line tape. I do not suggest snail. It is not strong enough. Just to let you guys know, snail is not strong enough. All right, so now that that's added, I am grabbing my 1/8 inch circle punch. So I found an even better way to do this than the last time I did this with you guys. So on the top of your box, the side that has the little notches, you are going to put a hole punch on each side of that notch. So what I mean is notch, notch, just a nice little hole punch on each side. I try to make mine as evenly spaced as possible. If they're not 100% perfect, do not worry. All right, there we go. All right, all of ours have been punched. Now I'm gonna flip it over and we are going to get ready to put all of our pieces together. So we're gonna add adhesive to not the first one that's closest to your 3/4 inch notch, but every bottom square after that on the inside. I do it nice and simple. I grab myself some fast fuse. Your tear tape will also work. You don't need a ton of adhesive. You just need enough to keep it in place. Again, I do not recommend snail. It is not strong enough. Pulling that tab adhesive off, come up here, line it up, and stick it down. So you're gonna find that tab. Ooh, now that I've pushed my thing all the way. So now you have your 5 tabs. 4 of them have adhesive, 1 of them does not. The one that does not goes in first, then one side, the other side, and there we go. Your box is all put together. I stick my finger down in there. Bone folder also works. Now I'm just gonna kind of notch at the, I'm gonna squeeze at the notch to get all of my things nice and pretty here. All right, now that we have that, it's time to put your chocolate in the center. Boop, just like that. We're going to be adding a little bit of ribbon here. I am using a flosser, put that down there. It's one of those crest flossers. Sounds really weird, but they actually kind of work, so that's why I use it. I'm also going to be using some Melon Mambo thick baker's twine. Again, Stampin' Up! No longer sells this. It is a retired product, but works for my purposes. I had some left over. So I figure out where my back is. Again, I just go in, out. You're basically just stitching something up here, guys. And in, and out. Oh, I'm stuck. Last time I used some baker's twine or linen thread or whatever. That also works just fine. I thought I had this and it looked cute with this paper and it worked with my embellishments. There we go. All right, so now that I have that, I'm going to trim off the end over here. And the best way to do this is to just kind of start to pull on your twine, your ribbon, whatever it is you're using to close it. And as you pull, just kind of pinch and push everything together. Just kind of pinch and push and pinch and push and pinch and push and pinch and push, and there you go. Once you get down to the end there, tie it a cute little knot. I'm actually going to do it a bow. See if I can do this well today at the first try out. All right. And voila. I'm going to trim off my excess here. Perfect. Okay. Now, just like with my other ones, I have a whole bunch of these punched flowers. This is out of Pear Pizzazz. They have a pre-adhesive rhinestone in the center. I use the Itty Bitty Petals Punch, which again is no longer in use or no longer sold by Stampin' Up. But any flower punch will do, any little extra punch will do, any greeting, if you want to add a greeting, will also work. I am using glue dots just for speed's sake. Glue also works at this point in time. I am just going ahead and adding these to the side of the box here. And that gives us a really cute, fun treat holder for a Hershey Kiss Deluxe. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Check out the description box below for all of the directions. And if you'd like to see any more videos like this, please go ahead and click the subscribe button also down there. This is Mel from Cardstock Concoctions saying thanks a lot, everybody. Talk to you later. Bye.